Today, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Flor de Lis Montalban Rufino, 30 years old, married. I have a 3-child, 5 years old and 10 years old son. 1 daughter, 7 years old. I am living at Sitio Loo, Colopinia Concepcion, Iloilo. I have 5 sisters and 3 brothers. I am vocational graduate of commercial cooking in Braden Pastry.
Okay, so your 3 children, are you the one who take care of them since birth?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am. But I work in Philippines as domestic helper with a couple with 2 children, 5 and 3 years old. I do all household chore like cleaning, washing, cooking, and ironing clothes. But my main duty is to take care of the baby.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any surgical operation or serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to able to send the money for my children, and I want to build a house for my family,
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
my parents, and my husband.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. and then after my work is done, and I wake up 5 p.m. in the morning.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
First, ma'am, I will more patient and understanding to them.
Okay, if you are homesick, what would you do?
First, ma'am, I will focus my work, and then I remind myself I need this job for my family.
Do you have allergy to certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What time? Sorry. What will you do if the baby is sick?
First, ma'am, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call the employer and they said the baby is sick.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song? Please
Yes,
sing the
ma'am.
example.
I have 2 hands, the left and the right, holding up high to clean and bright. Clap then.
Okay, thank you. By the way, please say a short message to your future employer.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Please select me as a helper, and I assure you I am a hardworking and honest and responsible. I do all my best to serve your family. Thank you. God bless.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.